Days like today make you remember why mechanical trading is the best. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard. It is Bubba's Daily Update for Wednesday, February the 3rd, 2021. And this update is brought to you by our friends and partners at Family Farms, who, between us, we're trying to help educate farmers to take care of their grains and take care of their livestock and take care of their money better. And I think that is there couldn't be much more important than that. Okay. In the meantime, let me just take a look at something real quick because I forgot something in my mind. Okay. In the meantime, okay. We've got markets that are all over the place. I mean, the NASDAQ was up huge. It's now near flat. The Dow is up. It's now down about 80. The Russell was higher. It's now down. The S&P was up about 15. It's now up about 2. So we're all over the place. So is the market going to change directions? Is the trend changing to down? Or are we going to make another run for the highs? It's hard to say. We're split. We are short the Dow, short the S&P, long the NASDAQ, and long the Russell. Now, my guess is we're going to break to the downside. But again, I will play exactly what I'm supposed to play without thought. Okay, again, it's mechanical. That's the way that I trade. Now, during the day, I can trade anything, and I will trade with stops and with exits. But we're talking about carrying over a position and holding it, one of our 23 futures positions that we carry. In the meantime, the metals, look, the big Wall Street bets, Reddit's Wall Street bets on silver. I'm getting a lot of hate mail, and you can stick it up your ass because at the end of the day, that was the original story. That was what created the overall panic, whether it was fake news or whether it was Citadel. Somebody caused that squeeze on Sunday, which was predictable that it would fail and get clobbered on Tuesday, which is exactly what happened. And, again, I don't read the news. I don't watch it. I could care less. If you trade the news, you lose. Okay. So you want to be critical. Maybe you should look in the mirror. Okay. I'm just reporting my positions and the facts. Okay. In the meantime, we are long silver now. It is slightly higher. We are a short gold, which is flat, and we are still long platinum, which is higher. Okay. Now, as you take a look at some of the other markets around the board, copper is slightly higher, but copper looks like it's about ready to turn over. We are still long it, and I think we'll be getting shorted with another down day. Net gas, after having a nice charge higher because of weather, has pulled back a little bit. We'll see. We're still long. The dollar is higher, and of course we're long. And bonds and notes are, they're pretty much on flat lines right now. All right, but we are short. And actually, we're short bonds, long notes, excuse me. Okay. But either way, I mean, I would expect you would see that they'll eventually go higher again because, of course, with this easy money policy, we're going to continue to have the overall views that, bonds got to go lower. But bonds are pricing a lot of inflation, which is always masked by the ridiculous money printing of our Federal Reserve. In the grain markets, we've got mixed markets today. Now, look, the grains have been very volatile. They still look pretty good. We're still long corn and long wheat and short soybeans. And as it is today, wheat and corn are down, soybeans are slightly higher. But we're all around flat lines, okay? And in the proteins, meats, they're all up again slightly. And as I've continued to say, the patterns look very much like the grains did before they broke out to the upside. And I expect the same to happen in cattle and hogs. We're churning around the mean. Support continues to hold, and not only it hold, but it continues to hold at higher levels. In the softs, you've got, they're basically everything is down but cotton, which we are long cotton, short OJ, long coffee, long sugar, short cocoa. Okay. And again, it's a quiet day. I think the markets are trying to figure out what the hell what's going on here, and where the money's going to go. And I think everybody's still kind of reeling from those major short squeezes you saw last week, which just brings in the mind. And of course, that's what happened. Back to silver for a minute. That was why silver ran up $3 on Sunday night and lost it all and more on Tuesday morning. So in the meantime, don't forget our brokerage partners. Now, I do have other brokers. I have many brokerage accounts, but the two that I prefer for futures and commodities is the CTG group. A, they do a great job. B, they have terrific customer service. C, they trade my accounts. And D, they are the only ones authorized to trade our products letter direction. And shortly, we'll be cutting anybody else off who's tried to trade them, because we know who they are and we will cut them off. In the meantime, if you equities and options, there is nobody better than Tradier. $10 a month. Okay. Great customer service. We have their APIs. You have the option, pardon the pun, but if you want to automate our automated portfolios, then you have the option to do that. You set them to the parameters and it just takes care of it for you. There is no need. You don't have to, but if you'd rather not do the work, you can have it done for you. Okay. With no additional fee, by the way. And of course, they're giving you a free options training course, which Saturday is session number 4, which is, more strategies. You can log into it at BUBBATrading.com. And of course, our commodities report written by Andy Hecht. There is nothing like it. Okay. I mean, tied in together with our algorithms, it is just a phenomenal report. He is spot on. And what he's really doing is he's taking the fundamentals and tying them with the technicals to create buys or sells. But if you'd like to see last week's edition, email me at bubba@bubbatrading.com. I'll be happy to send you out his last week's edition. And of course, our high school program, we're just looking to get it redone, and we're in the middle of having some cartoons made things. But you can, if you want to help us out, you can go to Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That is patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, just be careful. Have a great day. Don't let the news, don't let your opinion get in the way of you making money. BubbaTrading.com. This is the Daily Update. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later.